Marshmallows. We all love marshmallows. Oh wait, it's not that type of marshmallow? Welcome to Callie's Kitchen, the place we cook up new looks for the lookbook. And today, guys, we're featuring a very special guest. Marshmello. Marshmello is 25, tall, chubby, and soft on the inside. He enjoys sitting by the fire, getting toasty, and oh my goodness, I love s'mores! Oh wait, it's not that Marshmello. And guys, we all know the best thing about Marshmello is that he's a music superstar, which means he has megabucks. So, you want to be Marshmello? Then you've come to the right place. Because guys, right now I am going to show you how to become Marshmello. Guys, make sure you leave a like and let's do this. So, once you have got yourself into the avatar editor, we're going to have to do one thing straight away. And that is get completely naked. Guys, once you have yourself naked, you're going to need to make a few adjustments. So the first one you want to do is come up to clothes, go over to body, and find the heads package. You're then going to want to click this head right here, called the eraser head, and yeah, it literally makes your head look like an eraser. But guys, it's better than looking like a turnip. Trust me. Once you have your eraser head equipped, you then need to go to colors up the top right and make a custom color by clicking that at the bottom right and select white right in the middle, guys, and push that up to the top so you are absolutely dazzling white. Once you have done this, guys, you're going to need to make your head very big. So come over to scaling, then you want to click man, you want to go to advanced, and you want to make your head massive. Maybe not that big, somewhere around here. The next step is to change your face, so come over to the faces panel right here, and you're going to want to search X, in which you will find this one right here. Now, unfortunately, guys, this is the only negative that I have in this entire video, is that you can't get Marshmello's exact face. And this is the closest one you can get to it. I'm so sorry, but it's better than this. Anything is better than this. Once you have your head looking all marshmallowy, you come over to the body selection, change it to clothes, and now it is time to dress yourself in all white. So the first thing we want to do, guys, is come over to the shirts panel right here, go into custom shirt, and you're going to want to put in the following code. If you need to see the code for longer, then guys, please pause the video, but if you've managed to write it in, click wear, and as you can see, sometimes you have to do it 2 times. I don't know why. Here we go, and I have a nice white Marshmello t-shirt on. The next step is to come over to the pants panel and do exactly the same. We're going to click custom pants, and we're going to be putting in the following code. And again, guys, if you need to, then pause the video, hit the subscribe button, join Team Fire, the hottest family. But yes, click wear, and you will have yourself some nice bright white trousers. And guys, you're done. You now officially look like Marshmello. Guys, there's only one thing left that you must do. You're gonna want to come over to the about section and change your name from whatever it is to Marshmello with no W, and change your bio to I feel alone. And guys, if I was Marshmello, I'd be getting the heck away from me right now, because we are Team Fire and we don't want to roast this little dude into a s'more. Yeah, guys, that was how to be Marshmello inside of Roblox, as suggested by one of you. If any of you guys have any other suggestions, then please leave them in the comment section down below. As well as that, if you could leave a big fat like, and guys, hit the subscribe button to join Team Fire, the hottest family on YouTube. And yeah, guys, I will see you all in the next how to do video. Bye.